Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are very pleased to have the opportunity to present articles related to the topic of production process in operations management. We are from a group of 7, consisting of myself, Dewi, Ilyas, Aris, and Verry. Please enjoy our presentation. Hello. My name is Dewi Praptiwi from Group 7. I am here because I love to give presentations. In this presentation, I will talk to you about the article Customer Bargaining Power, Strategic Fit and Supplier Performance by Shihui Chang, Sheng Liu, and Raj Mashruwala in 2022. The article Customer Bargaining Power, Strategic Fit and Supplier Performance by Shihui Chang, Sheng Liu, and Raj Mashruwala investigates the effect of customer bargaining power on supplier performance, with a focus on how strategic fit between suppliers and customers influences this dynamic. Study objectives: impact of customer bargaining power on supplier performance. Background: conflicting evidence on impacts of high bargaining power on suppliers. Key hypothesis: strategic alignment between suppliers and customers can lessen negative effects from high customer bargain power. Key concepts: customer bargaining power. This term refers to the ability of large customers to influence terms in the supply chain due to their importance to the supplier. High bargaining power often allows customers to demand better prices, which can reduce suppliers' profit margins and flexibility. Strategic fit. When suppliers and customers align strategically, they can foster mutual benefits, such as reduced transaction costs, better coordination, and long-term partnership stability, helping suppliers counterbalance the drawbacks of customers' bargaining power. Supplier performance. The researchers use metrics like return on assets, ROA, to measure supplier performance. Strategic fit in various dimensions is tested to assess its impact on mitigating the negative effects of high customer bargaining power. Strategic fit. Strategic fit involves alignment across 3 dimensions. 1. Innovation fit. Shared emphasis on innovation and R&D. 2. Customer orientation fit. Similar focus on responsiveness and customer service. 3. Efficiency fit. Alignment on cost efficiency and operational excellence. Research methodology. The study draws on data from Compostat, examining a sample of publicly held US firms with significant customer-supplier relationships. It considers 3 forms of customer bargaining power. 1. Customer dependence. Customers' dependency on suppliers. 2. Sample. Suppliers' reliance on certain customers. 3. Analysis of fit. Market shares of both customers and suppliers as a proxy for bargaining power. The study also evaluates the alignment of spending in R&D, SG&A, and capital expenditures to measure strategic fit across the 3 dimensions. Key findings. The results indicate high customer bargaining power is linked to reduced supplier profitability due to pressure on margins and operational demands. Strategic fit mitigates. Negative effects there are: 1. Innovation. Fit reduces bargaining pressure on suppliers. 2. Customer orientation fit. Alignment here enables suppliers to meet demand responsiveness, benefiting from shared systems and knowledge of customer needs. 3. Efficiency. Fit. Efficiency-aligned suppliers perform better under high bargaining power, improves cost-effectiveness. Conclusion. The study concludes that strategic fit is a crucial factor in enabling suppliers to maintain profitability even when dealing with high-power customers. Suppliers can secure stability, improved collaboration, and shared strategic advantages. Study case: PT Indofood CBP, Sukses Makmur, a major Indonesian food company, illustrates the principles outlined in the study through its operations with various retail and distributor partners. Here's how customer bargaining power, strategic fit, and supplier performance may play out in this setting. Customer bargaining power. Indofood's large-scale customers, including retailers like Indomaret and Alphamart, exert significant influence over product pricing, placement delivery terms. They have high bargaining power, often demanding discounts or customized packaging to appeal to different consumer segments. Indofood aligns with key retail partners by innovating in product categories that meet evolving consumer preferences, such as health-conscious or convenience-focused products. This helps Indofood leverage the influence of retailers by presenting products that cater to both parties' objectives. Indofood invests in customer-oriented logistics and marketing initiatives tailored to retailer demands, allowing for rapid response to shifting market trends. This alignment on customer orientation helps Indofood maintain positive relationships with high-power customers, creating value for retailers. Indofood's focus on cost-efficient production aligns with retailers' interest in keeping prices competitive. By streamlining its supply chain, Indofood can offer attractive pricing to retailers while managing production costs effectively, which helps balance the impact of customer bargaining power. The alignment across strategic objectives enables Indofood to navigate the competitive retail environment, maintaining competitive pricing through streamlined cost. By achieving strategic fit, Indofood benefits from strong partnerships with retailers, enabling it to sustain, even improve its performance. This approach exemplifies how Indofood uses strategic alignment to mitigate the pressures exerted by powerful customers, demonstrating a real-world application of the study's findings. Outcome: Indofood sustains profitability and strong market presence. So, this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.
My name is Daniel. My long name is Daniel Pungkas Prastia Wibowo. I am a master's student from Jakarta State University. The following is a discussion of material on break-even analysis and learning about the subject of the acquisition integration failure study, emphasizing the importance of break-even analysis in strategic decision-making, taken from the article Taktikar and Ratemakers, 2020. This presentation's topic material focuses on how an outside-in strategy can help overcome post-acquisition integration failures. This article was written by Taktikar and Ratemakers and published in 2020 in the Journal of Creating Value. The main problem in this discussion is the high post-acquisition failure rate, around 70–90%, based on previous studies. The research objective was to explore post-acquisition integration solutions using an outside-in strategic approach, and the importance of case studies involving MNCs and innovative healthcare companies for studying these strategies. Failure often occurs because company strategies focus on synergies instead of market needs. Many companies rely too much on net present value analysis and ignore customer-oriented value creation. And this research is to find out how this approach causes failure to achieve the expected results after the acquisition. Common reasons behind acquisitions, including growth, technology access, market consolidation, and strengthening core competencies. Key challenges in integration, such as strategic fit, cultural differences, and organizational structure. Although strategic fit is often considered important, other factors such as speed of integration and organizational fit also greatly influence success. This approach aims to create value by focusing on customer needs at the business unit level. The first step involves evaluating the market and customer needs. The second step is to analyze the potential synergy between the parent company, MNC, and the acquired company to create value. The methods used in this research include user surveys, interviews with experts, and business intelligence data. A brief overview of the cases discussed MNCs acquiring innovative companies in the healthcare sector, IC, to accelerate their strategic goals. Explain that this integration aims to capture growth opportunities in the healthcare market. The initial integration period between MNCs and ICs experienced challenges, including IT system issues, cultural differences, and sales structures. Initial efforts failed to produce the expected synergies, leading to stagnation and potential value destruction. An outside-in strategy was implemented to overcome initial failures. This step involves developing a business model with a focus on specific market opportunities. The goal is to create value by aligning market needs and business strategies of both entities. Strategy implementation results showed a 300% increase in recurring revenue in 18 months, despite initial integration challenges. This transformation underscores the importance of an outside-in strategy in enhancing post-acquisition synergies. Research shows that a first strategize, then organize approach is critical to successful integration. Companies must focus on business unit-level strategies before developing synergies at the company level. In the future, an outside-in strategy could be integrated into acquisition preparations to prevent post-acquisition challenges.
Next, I will discuss the journal written by Walden in 2016, titled Dynamic Capabilities, provide a framework for designing manufacturing process flows that align with strategic objectives. The key concept of the dynamic capabilities to provide a framework for designing manufacturing process is dynamic capabilities, strategic objectives, and manufacturing process flow. These refer to a firm's ability to build and reconfigure internal and external competencies to address rapidly environment. As industries and markets evolve rapidly, manufacturers need to design process flows and strategic to sustain competitive advantage that not only meet current operational needs, but also can be adapted over time as new technologies, strategies, and market demands. How these concepts relate to dynamic capabilities. 1. Integrating focuses on combining and utilizing in organization. Building is about creating new resources or capabilities that will give the firm a future competitive advantage. 3. Reconfiguring is the ability to adjust and redeploy a veil in response. Together, these three components allow firms to be adaptive and flexible, continually evolving their processes and capabilities to meet both current and future challenges. Ensure that the company as it can integrate what it has, build what it needs, and reconfigure what it can to stay competitive. Dynamic capabilities are essential to achieving flexibility in manufacturing. They enable organizations to rapidly sense changes in the market, seize new opportunities, and reconfigure internal processes to adapt to evolving customer needs, new technologies, or unexpected disruptions. Being responsive to change means that a manufacturing organization has the ability to quickly recognize shifts in the market, customer preferences, or external conditions, e.g., supply chain disruptions, technological advancements, regulatory changes, and act swiftly to adjust its operations. Adaptability refers to a company's ability to change its structure, operations, or strategies in response to evolving circumstances or long-term shifts in the market, enabling a firm to modify its existing resources and capabilities to support new products or different production methods. Innovation in manufacturing involves the ability to create new products, processes, or business models that add value, differentiate the company in the market, or open up new opportunities. Encouraging the creation of new processes or technologies that enhance manufacturing capabilities.
To adapting manufacturing process, we need to change the design of manufacturing process from old process to adapting or new process. The evolution of manufacturing processes from efficiency and cost reduction to flexibility is not about choosing one over the other. It's about integrating both. Companies need to maintain efficient operations to remain competitive, but they must also have the flexibility to adjust quickly to market shifts, customer demands, and external disruptions. The key shift here is how companies balance efficiency with flexibility over time. While cost reduction and efficiency remain important, businesses have come to understand that the ability to adapt quickly is just as crucial in a rapidly changing business environment. Key to achieving this balance is leveraging dynamic capabilities, the ability to sense changes, seize new opportunities, and reconfigure processes and resources as needed. This allows manufacturing firms to continuously adapt their operations, driving both efficiency and flexibility in an increasingly volatile and competitive business environment.
Aligning manufacturing with strategy requires a careful balance of innovation, which drives differentiation and long-term growth, and income generation, which ensures short-term profitability and sustainability. By focusing on both, manufacturers can position themselves for success in dynamic markets, ensuring they remain competitive both in terms of cost and product offerings. manufacturing capabilities should be aligned with both the need for continuous product innovation and the need for cost-effective production. For example, a company in the consumer electronics industry may invest in advanced manufacturing technologies to quickly prototype new products, innovation, while also improving efficiency to maintain profitability. Companies should implement continuous improvement processes, example, Kaizen, Lean Six Sigma, that support both cost reduction and innovation. This could involve constantly reviewing and improving manufacturing processes to maintain a competitive edge in terms of both product quality and cost efficiency. Manufacturing teams should work closely with marketing, R&D, and finance to ensure alignment with overall strategic goals. For instance, manufacturing should ensure that new products can be efficiently produced at a profitable margin. Manufacturing should be able to respond to market trends and shifts in demand for innovation, example, customer preferences for sustainable products or new technologies, while maintaining focus on profitability through efficient operations. Manufacturing process design should not only focus on operational efficiency, but also on strategic alignment. In other words, manufacturing should serve as a tool that directly contributes to achieving strategic goals, whether it's differentiation, cost leadership, or innovation. To achieve the alignment of manufacturing strategy, we should assess their dynamic capability to adapt to change, innovate, and reorganize their resources. Adapt manufacturing processes to match these capabilities and monitor and adjust to ensure the manufacturing system remains aligned with the broader organizational goals. The key elements of dynamic capabilities in manufacturing is 1. Resource reconfiguration, the ability to restructure or redeploy resources, e.g., labor, technology, equipment, in response to new opportunities or challenges. 2. Innovation in processes and products, the ability to innovate not only in product development but also in manufacturing processes. 3. Coordination and integration, the ability to integrate various parts of the manufacturing system and coordinate them effectively to deliver strategic objectives. 4. Learning and knowledge management, continuous learning and improvement are essential to building dynamic capabilities and maintaining competitive advantage. In practical terms, this means that companies must design flexible, adaptable processes that can adjust to changes in customer needs, technological advances, regulatory changes, or shifts in strategic priorities. This may involve 1. Modular manufacturing systems that can be easily reconfigured. 2. Flexible workforces that can be trained to handle different tasks as the company pivots its strategy. 3. Investment in new technologies that enable faster adaptation to market changes. The core message of Wilden's paper is that dynamic capabilities provide a strategic framework for manufacturing process design, helping companies align their operations with long-term strategic goals. By leveraging these capabilities, organizations can not only improve their current operations but also ensure that their manufacturing processes remain adaptive and competitive in the face of evolving external conditions. Dynamic capabilities are essential for adapting to change and aligning manufacturing processes with strategic objectives. Manufacturing processes should be designed not just for operational efficiency but also for strategic flexibility. Companies should build capabilities in resource reconfiguration, innovation, coordination, and continuous learning. Manufacturing systems that integrate dynamic capabilities can lead to sustained competitive advantage. By using this framework, manufacturing companies can ensure their processes remain adaptable, efficient, and aligned with the broader goals of the business, enabling them to respond quickly to changes in the market and industry.
Toyota is a prime example of a company that has effectively leveraged dynamic capabilities to design and optimize its manufacturing process flows, aligning them with its long-term strategic objectives.
Toyota is known for its Toyota Production System, TPS, which is a highly flexible and adaptive manufacturing approach. This system emphasizes efficiency, waste reduction, and continuous improvement, Kaizen, but it is also designed to be adaptive to changes in demand and production needs. This aligns with the concept of dynamic capabilities because Toyota's system can quickly adapt to new conditions, new technologies, and changing consumer preferences. For example, 1. Flexible process design. Toyota can reconfigure its manufacturing lines to accommodate different vehicle models without significant downtime. 2. Resource reconfiguration. Toyota continuously redeploys resources, example, labor, machinery, to respond to production changes or market demand shifts. Toyota's commitment to innovation and continuous learning has been a cornerstone of its success. The company consistently integrates new technologies into its manufacturing processes while also enhancing its existing capabilities. This innovation helps Toyota stay aligned with its strategic objectives, such as 1. Adopting new technologies. Toyota has been a leader in adopting robotic automation, artificial intelligence, and other advanced manufacturing technologies to optimize its production processes. 2. R&D in manufacturing. Toyota invests heavily in R&D, both for new vehicle designs and for improving manufacturing processes. For instance, they have been pioneers in lean manufacturing, a concept closely related to dynamic capabilities as it enables rapid adjustments to changing needs. The company has shown exceptional ability to adapt its production systems in response to both market shifts and external challenges. 1. During the global financial crisis, 2007 to 2009, Toyota had to quickly adjust its production schedules and strategies due to changes in consumer demand. Their dynamic manufacturing capabilities allowed them to scale back production and retool manufacturing lines efficiently, minimizing waste and ensuring they could meet new market conditions. 2. In response to environmental concerns and shifting consumer preferences towards more sustainable vehicles, Toyota shifted its focus to developing hybrid vehicles like the Prius. This required reconfiguring manufacturing systems and processes to incorporate new technologies and meet changing regulatory requirements. Toyota's manufacturing processes are always designed with the broader corporate strategy in mind, making it a perfect example of aligning manufacturing flow with strategic objectives. For instance, 1. Cost leadership and efficiency. Through TPS, Toyota has managed to keep production costs low while maintaining high-quality standards. This strategic focus on cost leadership aligns directly with their operational goals of being a competitive force in the global automotive market. 2. Product differentiation. Toyota's emphasis on quality and innovation, such as in the development of hybrid and electric vehicles, aligns with its long-term goal of establishing itself as a leader in automotive sustainability and cutting-edge technology. Toyota is a prime example of a company that has successfully utilized dynamic capabilities to design adaptable and strategically aligned manufacturing processes. By constantly innovating, reconfiguring resources, and aligning its operations with broader strategic goals, Toyota maintains its competitive edge and adaptability in a rapidly changing global market.
Next, I will discuss strategic approaches to designing effective production systems. As industries evolve and technological innovations accelerate, engineering teams must adapt and rethink traditional manufacturing processes. In this presentation, we'll explore essential strategic elements that impact engineering operations, dive into key challenges faced by engineering organization. Strategic management literature highlights 3 core elements of a strategy: a coherent vision, consistent decision-making, and a contingent fit with the external environment. Strategy as a coherent vision. A strategy provides a long-term perspective and direction for an organization. It involves a clear vision of how to compete, which can be stable over time but flexible enough to adapt to new opportunities. Successful organizations often compete by focusing on strategic intent rather than rigid planning. Strategy as consistent decision-making. Strategy guides decision-making processes to achieve long-term goals. It can be based on deliberate planning or emerge organically through consistent actions and behaviors. Strategy as adaptation to external forces. Strategy also involves adapting to changing environments. Dynamic capability skills that enable an organization to integrate and reconfigure resources are crucial for organizations to maintain competitive advantage in dynamic environments. Research and development, R&D, and innovation strategies. Engineering organizations often focus on R&D to create new knowledge or commercialize existing technologies. Innovation strategies may vary, ranging from duplicating and diversifying existing capabilities to pursuing open innovation models. Number 2. Strategies for new product or process development involve considerations such as virtual teams, centers of excellence, and concurrent engineering. Number 3. Engineering strategies must align with organizational structures and processes to optimize competitive advantages. Rolls-Royce is a prime example of a company that has undergone significant strategic transformations in its engineering operations to compete in a rapidly changing global marketplace. The company's engineering strategy aligns closely with the key themes discussed how to compete through engineering. The company has embraced a servitization model in the aerospace industry, where instead of just selling engines, it offers comprehensive long-term maintenance and operational services through its Total Care program. Engineering tasks in today's world are unique and unpredictable, with rapidly evolving markets and emerging technologies. Rolls-Royce's engineering strategy has had to adapt to these dynamic challenges. Rolls-Royce has committed to achieving net zero carbon emissions by 2050. Additionally, Rolls-Royce's decision-making in engineering operations has had to be dynamic, constantly adjusting to changes in customer needs, such as increasing demand for quieter, more fuel-efficient engines, as well as technological advancements like digitalization and automation. The company has focused on digital engineering enhance both the performance and lifecycle management of its products, further illustrating its alignment with the dynamic, evolving market context.